Hello and welcome back to TGP. Today we are going to unbox OnePlus Nord CE, the Core Edition. So here's the phone itself. So we'll come back to the phone later on. Let's see what else there in the box. So it comes with the cover, and it's a very nice cover, very nice build, and it has a design on the back. There are so many user manuals again. Here's the membership card, red cable, club card. Again, there's OnePlus Nord stickers, safety information, and some booklets. Oops. There's a quick starter guide. And there's the charger with the red cable. It has a warp charging, 33 watts. Let's come back to the phone. Let's unwrap it. It's a very thin phone, very lightweight, and build quality is really good. It comes with a 64 megapixel main camera. Let's fit into the cover. It's really hard, but it fits really nice, and the design looks very good on the back. So that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching.